What's up YouTube? Just a quick video to show you two applications from the Cydia store. One's called Videos, the other one's called Ringtones. I'm going to cover the video one. I mean, you can download both, they're both pretty good. But to do this, to download it, you go to Cydia, let it load up. Tap the search bar at the bottom, top box, type in Video. There it is there, it's come up already. I've already downloaded it. Obviously to get the other one, you want to just put only tones. I've downloaded that as well. Alright, so you come out of that once you've downloaded and installed it. You get these two applications. I think you have to be signed up. I'm not 100% sure. I'm signed up anyway. I mean, I've joined and signed up. But you got your movies, HD movies, TV shows, blah blah. So have a look at your movies. See one you want. Tap on it. The internet's slow. I think the missus is doing the shopping, to tell you the truth. There you go. Scroll down, and there you got a choice to download or stream. If you want to download, push the left one. Continue video. Download with Mega Upload, or you can watch it on your iPhone. Wait for the clock. Time down. Touch the regular download. Tap download. And it is downloading in your transfers. It's not that fast, but I don't. This is the first one I've ever done on it, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take to download. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Catch you all soon, yeah. Bye.